If you need to change the page size in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch your document to a standard paper size like letter or A4, and I'll also show you how to set a custom page size if you need something more specific. This is really useful for resumes, reports, school assignments, flyers, forms, or any document that needs to match a certain print layout. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your file is opened, look at the top ribbon and click the Layout tab. In some versions of Word, this may also appear as Page Layout, but the option works the same way. The Layout tab is where you'll find all the important page setup controls, including margins, orientation, and paper size. Now, inside the Page Setup group, click S. When you click that button, Word will show you a list of common page sizes. You'll usually see options like letter, legal, A4, executive, and other standard formats. If your goal is just to match a normal document or printer setup, you can simply choose one of those preset sizes. For example, if you're working on a document for the US, letter is often the default. If you're using international formatting, A4 is very common. As soon as you select a size, Word will instantly apply that change to your document. In many cases, the layout may shift slightly depending on the text, images, tables, or spacing you already have on the page. That's completely normal, so after changing the size, take a moment to review your document and make sure everything still looks the way you want it to. If none of the preset options fit your needs, Word also gives you the ability to create a custom paper size. To do that, go back to Layout, click Size again, and then choose More Paper Sizes. This opens the Page Setup dialog box where you can manually enter the exact width and height you want. This is especially helpful if you're designing something for a special print format, like a booklet, label, certificate, or custom form. In the Page Setup window, look for the Paper tab if it appears in your version of Word, and then enter your custom dimensions. Once the measurements are set, click OK to apply them. Word will resize the page based on the values you entered. If needed, you can also check your margins and orientation right after this step to make sure the entire document matches your final layout. One helpful tip is to change the page size before you start typing a long document. That way your formatting stays cleaner and you avoid having to fix spacing or page breaks later. But if your document is already finished, you can still change the size at any time. Just remember to review the content afterward, because text flow, images, and tables may move when the page dimensions change. If you're printing the document, it's also a good idea to make sure your selected page size matches your printer settings. That helps prevent cut-off text or scaling issues when the file is printed or exported as a PDF. So whether you're preparing a business document or a school project, choosing the right page size can make a big difference in how professional your final file looks. And that's it. You now know how to change page size in Microsoft Word using the Layout tab, the Size menu, and the More Paper Sizes option for custom dimensions. If this walkthrough helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.